Cut the cabbage into shreds. Put the shredded cabbage into the bowl. Diced shallots. Can pour the diced shallots into the bowl. Then can pour the eggs, spoonful of salt, and spoonful of MSG to the bowl. Then add soy sauce to your liquid and stir. Add flour. Don't pour too much at once. Add some water. Stir. Add the flour again. Then keep stirring. Pour in oil. Roll it to make it average. The oil is very hot and ready to be put in the pot. Put the stirred cabbage pancakes into the pan. Don't let them stick together. Use a spoon to squeeze out the excess water. Turn over. Can be out of the pot. Place cabbage pancakes on a plate.